We're gonna do our first unboxing video at the Deep River Library. So this is the first shipment of books that we've received since the beginning of March, and as you can see here, box 1 of 2 was packed in March, so we want to share with you the excitement of finding out what's inside. Alright, hope you're ready. Here we go. So first up, we have a new board book for the little people, Bugs. Peekaboo Planet, this looks like a cute one. Some new music, Dominique. Talking book, Heart of Lion. Another board book, lots for the little guys. Time to Pee. For the film watchers, Cold War. Ooh. A talking book, Danielle Steele, Spy. You can tell these are from back in March. Got a DVD, The Lavender Hill Mob. Grown-up pose. For the graphic novel fans. Oh, and in French. Oh, what's under here? Oh, another French picture book. This looks like a cute one. Let's take a peek inside. Some beautiful illustrations in here. Barracoon. Oh, this looks funny. Isn't it romantic? On Talking Book, we have Come From Away. Obituaries. And The Night Watchman. This is a good one for Talking Book listeners. We also have The Last Odyssey. A little bit of romance here with the paperback. Seduce Me with Sapphires. Return to the Lost Isle. I think that might be for YA crowd. And, oh, a travel book in case you're going somewhere. Alright, stay tuned for our next video.